The first step is to create a Capcut project and add your video. Now what we're gonna have to do next is simply go at the top and then simply click on text. Now once we get here, we just have to select auto captions and then simply choose your spoken language. So I'm going to choose English, and then after that we just have to click on generate. So now CapCut will analyze the video and it will generate the captions for us, but that's not all. So as you can see, we have here the captions, but we can't actually see them. So we're gonna have to go to templates here at the top, and then we can choose any of these. So we can choose this one here, so we can see how they're gonna look like. And if you want to edit your captions, maybe it's something wrong, you just have to click on captions at the top, and then we can simply click and then delete or add more words. So it's up to you. Now I usually select text, then go to basic, and then I go to each one of them and edit them from here. So here we can add more, we can listen and see if the captions are right or wrong. We can also change the fonts from here. As you can see, we can pick whatever font we like. We can change the font size, and here we have the templates. Now you have here hundreds of templates that you can use, so you just have to look for the one that you like and click on it, and it will automatically be added to your video. So as you can see, we have these captions for my video. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.